So I'm working on this Jazzy. So electric wheelchair. This is a Jazzy, I don't know, maybe a Jazzy Pride. Tough to tell exactly what it is. Problem with this one is it won't move. Had a company that sold this to my mother-in-law and charged her $125 to come take a look at it. They put the charger in and it worked. Normally that doesn't do that. They said it's shorted and they said it's going to cost over $500 to fix it. Now what I did when I came over here, see, it's on and it goes. So what I have determined with this is this cord that runs to the control unit, it's messed up where it plugs in right here. So I have to get this cord, this short cord that comes out and plugs into here to the control unit. Because if I mess with this cord, it will make this light blink. And the code is it blinks 9 times, saying that it's this. The code for that, if it blinks strobes 9 times is means that the controller is messed up. So it's this wire in between here. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stuff everything, because I had the first time I looked at this I was rushing. Couldn't really figure it out. I tested the batteries and everything to make sure the voltage was good. This time I had a little bit more time to mess with it. There you go. See the blinking? If you get this wire out of place, it's not gonna, so it won't even come on. Okay, now it's on. It will turn it off. There's a bad connection right here. So that, if you have a problem with this, look at the first plug that goes into the charging cable. See? It's on again. You also have to make sure that your levers on the side for the brakes are in the up position. If you put them down, puts it into neutral so you can roll it and the chair won't operate. So I want to bring this forward. It's a Jazzy Pride, yes, Jazzy Pride. So I need to get this control box. It's a 4-pin, uses a 4-pin. I'm going to get this controller. I'm actually going to I'll probably buy the whole controller and this wire. Once I get this wire, should be fine. I'm going to pull the computer out, 2 bolts here, and change this plug. So basically what I want to do is I want to stuff this, get it as far as I can, stuff it down in there, then I'll replace that wire. Okay, here's your symptoms. Symptoms, blinking. Now watch. You're going to get your strobes. Keep strobing, 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 strobing. And supposedly there's a code in here, but it has to stop. Full strobes. So I was messing with this wire. I believe that this wire is split. See, nothing. No control. Okay? I believe that this wire is broke. Still got that. This wire has some cuts in it. So what I'm going to do, so also I found in here that this plug, I put it all back together. And this, here you go. There you go. Different. Strobing now. This wire right here, going into the computer, is problematic. I'm going to try it again. Strobe. So, do it again. See what happens. Different blinks now. Now, let's see what happens if I blink, 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 blink. It's going to give me that code again. Code 9. There's your codes. Okay, so I can't trust this thing because of the reason that it's very loose. I need to figure out. See, I had to tape it up because it's messed up. This right here, this plug. I want to unhook this. This is what I believe I need to get this wire. A little wire, I believe, will fix this. I believe it's either crimped or broken here, or somehow or another the connection between this is messed up. Okay, I messed with the wires again, and I got it on again. So I'm going to replace this thing. I'm going to take it apart. Okay, messing around with it again. I believe it's this wire split right here. So I'm messing around with the computer, and I just can't get that wire to do any different. If I move it around and it's not changing. I'm messing around with this wire. It had turned off, I couldn't get it going again, blinking again, messing around with this wire again, and now working again. So I'm gonna have to get this whole controller. That's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna take it apart, take it home, order this part. This is the one I need. I don't necessarily think this is broke. You have the main wire that goes in, and then you connect these. This has an alternate use where you would be using those 3 pins for, I guess, another model. So you want to make sure that when you order this part that you have these connections. Now, it would be nice if this wire came out. I thought it would come out. It would have been great. I could have replaced this. I think this wire is problematic. It's really tough to... There's really no way to test it unless I took this whole thing apart. Man, I don't know. Probably check for a short. I believe this wire is the culprit. I believe something's wrong with this controller. Everything is in this controller. You got your charger. Okay. Here's your 2-pin, your left and your right. Goes into here. 2-pin, left, right. Your main. Right now, I just want to make sure that I get all of this numbers and everything documented so that I can order this part. Found it on eBay, 40 bucks, but I want to make sure everything is right.